My name is Tom Whisenand, and I'm one of the co-founders and owners of Indeed Brewing Company in Minneapolis. My job title is technically Director of Operations. I handle sort of the financial side of the business, all the production, at least the kind of the operations of the production, everything else. I use orchestrated beer in a lot of different ways. In the last year, we've rolled it out to our sales employees. So they're using it in the field to take orders and enter them into orchestrated to check stock and everything else like that, which is a big deal for us because we self-distribute. So we're actually, we're taking dozens of orders a day if everything's going right and putting them into the system. Using the production scheduler has been helpful as far as being able to move things around. What it really does well for me, which luckily I never had to deal with because I know people who have, is raw material planning. If you don't have that in orchestrated and you're doing it all on a spreadsheet and you're trying to figure out how much of pale malt you need or how much Cascade hops you need in-house to do that, you're doing a lot more work on the back end. With it orchestrated, I just kind of drag it and then I look and I have lead times and I can say, oh, okay, I need to order another box of Cascade hops or a pallet of malt. So it all started with the initial belief that we wanted to have something robust and ready for growth from the beginning, and that we didn't want to have to switch from something that we were going to outgrow. People often ask me, about orchestrated beer and whether or not they should invest in it and make it a part of their brewery. And my answer is always kind of goes back to, well, how big do you want to be? Right now we're doing about 10,000 barrels a year, and we figure that'll probably go up towards 40 at some point. And it was big enough where we said, okay, this is an investment we should make now instead of having to do it later. I know at our brewery, if it weren't for, having the software in place and making it a part of how we do business, I think we wouldn't be making as much beer as we are right now. I'm Tom Whisenand with Indeed Brewing, and we use orchestrated beer.